This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. There is always a risk when investing in the stock market. These videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock. It is always advised to do your own research and to keep learning more and more about any strategies used in these videos. Guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody had a good weekend and I hope everyone has a prosperous week. Let's look at week 6. We'll update the balance on Melanie's account. And guys, boy, what a crazy ride in the market last week. So looking at Melanie's account, you can see she's currently sitting at $7,745.38. And today is February 1st. And that balance was $7,745.38. So let's update her total. And that is $7,745.38. So looking at that, guys, currently our balance is sitting at $15,856. And once we update this balance to $7,745.38, our balance total sitting at $16,415.21. We need $33,584 to reach our goal of $50,000, 67%. So it dropped 1% or so. So that's good. So let's look at this week. So looking at Melanie's positions here, AMC did sell it when we bought AMC. And this is a good example, guys. People wonder why would someone do this, right? We bought AMC at $4 and something. We sold the $5 strike price. AMC right here says $13.26, but it's currently sitting at $15.95, right? We sold the $5 call and made money off of that, which was a win for us. But whoever bought that $5 call, they're up $1,095 right now. Instantly. And that call it didn't cost them very much. I think it was like $27. So that's why people buy this. That's the other flip side of this, where people who are buyers make money when they take it. To me, I'm happy with the win we got. I mean, I'm fine with that. But if we would have kept this stock and it blew up like this, we would have made a lot more money. So AMC will be out of here. The blink didn't hit our call. I think we had the $50 call. It was pretty close. I didn't even have the $49.50 call. It was pretty close, but it didn't hit it. And Carnival Cruise Line, I think we sold the $20 or $22 call and it didn't hit it. So like I say, AMC did sell. We have sitting at a total right now of $935.38. So let's look at what we're going to buy this week. Okay guys, so I'm just hovering right over trade. I'm going to go down to stocks and ETFs and I'm going to go to extended hours. And it opens up the extended hours window. I'm just going to stick with there's no need, people always wonder what to buy and stuff. And, when it comes to diversification and things like that, sometimes there's just no need for it. I'm going to stick to something we've been using, which is Orbital Energy, given the fact we only have $9.35 to trade. So I'm going to look up that symbol, which is OEG. I'm going to buy 100, and this is it's a pre-market. So this is if you have to go to work that day, you don't have time, a lot of time, you can set this pre-market. We're going to do a limit. OEG, if we look right here at the bid price, is currently sitting at $8.78. So we're going to set a limit of $8.99. I'm setting the limit at their ask price. Now, again, if this price is lower, say it's like at $8.85, it'll buy it at $8.85, even though we set the limit at $8.99. So we're going to review and place this order. Okay guys, and we can see we did get filled. We got filled at $8.95 a share. So we're going to start with Blink. Our cost basis on Blink is sitting at $49.25 a share. We're going to click the down arrow. We're going to go to options chain. And we can see in pre-market hours, Blink is currently already sitting at $51. As always, we'll check our date first. Make sure we're 4 days out this Friday. And since Blink is sitting at 51 right now, I'm not going to worry about our cost base. I'm going to go a little bit higher. I'm going to go ahead and sell the $51 call. So the $51 call. And once we find that, we're going to click, this is the one we want. We're going to click right here on trade. As always, we'll make sure we read this. We're selling Blink, expiration date the 5th of February, $51 strike price. We are selling the call option. We're going to sell to open. We have 100 shares. So we're going to sell one contract. This will be a market order. And we will review and submit this order. Next, we're going to go to Carnival Cruise Line's options chain. Our cost basis is $21.86. We check our date, 4 days out, and you can see this options chain doesn't go past the $21. So we're going to click to expand this. So if you need to go farther down, you can click here. You can either click all or the 16. That expands the chain. Our cost basis was $21.86, so we're going to do the $22 strike price, and we're going to hit right here on trade. We're going to review this order. Selling Carnival Cruise Line, expiration, strike price, call option. We're selling to open, we're merchants. 1, and we're going to do a market order. We're going to review and submit this order. And our last one is Orbital Energy, which we got at $8.95. Let's go to the options chain. And remember guys, Orbital Energy is one that can't be sold weekly. So we're going to sell the first available call, which is February 19th. And, you know, our cost basis is under $10, but I think I'm going to sell to $12.50 here. Give us a little bit of room. And if it doesn't hit that, we'll be able to sell it again on the 19th. So let's look at this. We could easily get 135 by selling the $10 call, but because I like this company, I'm going to go ahead and sell the $12.50 call. Difference is what, about $250 in upside capital gain potential. So I'm going to click right here on trade. And we will review and submit this order. Orbital Energy, expiration, strike price, call option, sell to open. We're doing one quantity and we're doing a market order. Okay guys, so we have successfully placed these orders on Blink, Carnival Cruise Line, and OEG. We'll come back after the market opens to make sure that these got executed. Okay guys, the market is now open and we successfully sold the Blink, Carnival Cruise Line, and OEG. So let's go to history. Okay guys, we sold the Orbital Energy, the 19th expiration, $12.50 strike, Carnival Cruise Line, the expiration of the 5th, and Blink also the expiration of the 5th, the $22.50 strike and the $51 strike. And we could see we received $129.35, $9.35, and $389.34. Had a 66 cents on this one. So let's update our sheet. Okay guys, we have the date of 1st of February, Blink, Carnival Cruise Line, Orbital Energy with our expiration dates on our coupons. Here's our strike prices. We sold one of each. And if we look, we made $129.35, $9.35, and $389. So let's look at my account. Okay guys, we'll now look at my Roth. I will be doing mine on the mobile version on the phone. It won't let me do the actual app, but the mobile version is pretty close to the app, almost the same. And I just want to give people a perspective to look how to do this using the computer and or the phone. So let's look at my account. Okay guys, looking at my account, we can see we're currently setting at 8,574.54. So let's update our sheet. Okay guys, our sheet is updated. Today, February 1st, we have a total of 8,574.54. And the amount is now updated. We're looking at 16,319.92 total, 33,680 to reach our goal, 67.36%. And looking at the account, we can see we have 3 securities. Nano Dimension and Orbital Energy are still going. These will just play itself out until the 19th. We did do we bought the 1250 call back on this one, and we sold the $20 call. So the only one we have this week is Lyft. At our cost basis on Lyft was $49.49. So I'm gonna click right here on Lyft. Once we click on Lyft, this screen will open up. We're gonna go right here. We're gonna click this options button. The option change comes up. Again, we want to check our date that we're 4 days out, and then we're gonna look. Our cost basis is $49.49, so we're going to come down the chain until we find our $49.49 price, which is right here, $49.50 above our cost basis. We're going to select this strike price. We're going to click right here on the 25. This window will come up. We just click right here on trade. And guys, this is something I wanted to bring to your attention. So we bought Lyft. Our cost basis is $49.49, and if we look at Lyft right now, it's sitting at $44.46. And if we look at our cash on hand, we have $474.54. So when it comes to, you know, cost averaging and whether or not, you know, I need to buy more shares, is first you got to understand that we're in a Roth. We're in a Roth IRA, so we're limited. It's not like, you know, if you're already maxed out for the year, you can't add more money to this. And since our cost basis right now is sitting at $49.49, right, there's really no need to buy more of this stock. I usually will buy more, try to lower my cost basis if the option is changed. There's no more options that's gone past my cost basis. So if there was no options available that was underneath $49.50, then I would try to buy this back. Or if, say, we had this stock and our cost basis was like $49.51, if it dropped to $44, then I would consider buying more to try to drop my cost basis right underneath the strike price, or at the strike price of $49.50, or to try to get this cost basis down to $49.49. But since we're already right below that cost basis, there's no need really to buy any more. Or if we had a ton of cash, we wanted to just buy this to lower it, we could do something like that. So let's review this order. We check this out. We're selling Lyft, expiration the 5th, $49.50 strike. We are selling the call option. We're going to sell the open. We have 100 shares, so we can only sell one contract, and we are doing a market order. We'll submit this trade. And guys, that's it. Really, this week all we had was Lyft is the only one we need to sell. Now, if Lyft would have sold, we had to do some more work. We would have to find another stock to buy, but since it didn't, it's pretty easy. Sometimes it's actually easier if you're, you know, it doesn't actually hit your strike prices, because you just go in and repeat what you did last week or the week before and just consistently generate that money. So we'll come back after the market opens to make sure that this executed. Okay guys, we did sell the Lyft call. The market is now open. The $49.50 strike, one contract. Let's look at history. And again guys, to go to history, we're just going to click these three little arrows. This is like our navigator. And we can see here in history, today is the February 5th expiration date, $49.50 strike. We got $22.35. So let's update our sheet. Okay guys, we can see lift. Today's the 5th. 49.50 strike 1, and we got a total of $23 after fees, $22.35. Easy one on my account today. So all together, what we got here, 400, 540, about $550. Another 500 plus week. So not bad. So again, guys, anybody can start a Roth. If you're 18 or over, you can start a Roth. Anybody can do this, and you don't have to start off huge. You can start off with just a small amount, say like $1,000. Buy 100 shares. If you have 1,000, and that means the stock has to be under $10 because you need 100 shares in order to do this. And you know, if you're young and you're wanting to do this, just give it a try. Just go to charlesschwab.com, open yourself a Roth, and then you can work on this. If you don't already have a Roth, you can have a 401k and a Roth, so you can start to manage your own money and do these things on your own. Anybody can do this, 18 years or older. So again, the first video in this series shows you how to open a Roth, how to select for options trading, so you can always refer back to that video. So guys, if you found value in this video, I would appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one.